I've been invited for the launch party of a new digital company. They've invited me to do a little bit of interactive technology magic. So let's enjoy the party.
What kind have you gone?
3 of clubs.
3 of clubs, yeah? Keep going, all the way, all the way, all the way.
Oh no. Look at that. It's ridiculous.
3 of clubs. Boom.
Come on, guy. How are you doing that? I mean, I can do Michelin starred stuff, but that's crazy.
Thanks,
Right.
man. Go.
What the hell?
My name's Duncan, and for the last 2 years I've been performing my live, interactive online magic show at corporate events, private parties and celebrations. Here's a taste.
What's happened there?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
He's wearing a Chelsea top.
No way.
And their background, I don't know if behind you I can't really see. Is there some DJ decks and speakers?
No way. No way.
We have a book of They would be wearing pink and grey. I think that's fairly close. And their background will be a big mirror. What? A bit like that.